All right, we're back. Well, I was able to get the right wheel seal at Northwest. The problem is, he only had one, and I gotta wait till tomorrow to get the other one. So that's that. This on here, we slide over the outside of that puppy. Perfect. That's what you want, okay? And when you walk in there, I guess don't bring the old stuff with you. Tell them exactly what you need when you walk in. Because the one I needed, he was trying to find me the one I had, and I'm trying to tell him I need one for a freaking inch and a 16th spindle. And so finally, because I took a picture of it, I said, no, I need for the inner seal that's riding, need to be 1.5 inches. So there we are. We got it squared away. Let me get this popped in here. Get that popped in there with my hammer. Now the bearing will be riding on the seal. Pretty close. I got to push too far in. You need to be like flush. Too far in. You want it flush with the outside of that hub. You want it flush. You can go flush like I wanted it to. Okay. Making sure that was flush. Okay, I got the seal flush with that. So once it goes on here, right over the top, and seal. Yeah, buddy. All right. It gives me a little bit of a ride here. All right. Just come up. Okay, let's get some more. I'm gonna get some more grease. Grease in there. That bearing on there. I still don't know what the bearing torque is yet. So, still need to know. Need to know that. So let's put that one on the other side. Put that on the side. So I'm right here on this side of the gun. We're gonna go to the other. We're gonna go to the other side. Seal comes in. We'll be all done. All right. Okay, so let's put that there and there. So we should be good. The spindle clean. I went ahead and undone. Unclean. Okay, said, that cup there. That's gonna get full. There we go. All right. Bearing here. Got that bearing good. Yes. Line up it. All right. Here we are. That's on there. You have a little bit of resistance because of the seal. Not sure freaking torque is supposed to be on it, but there we are. Let me find out. I'm going to get a text back from Southern Wheel, or Southwest Wheel here, because I told him that they didn't send me the seals, so do that. I'll find out what the actual thing is here. This is a lock. We'll go over your wheel nut. And then snug. Okay. So until I find out. Lean right over on me. Let's get tired. Bring it up. All right. Standard hole. You got enough real grease here. The 21 nut. Yeah, let's go. And they're wide enough that you could actually put a 15-inch rim on here if it had four here. Let's see. After 10 to 25, I want you to retorque. Retorque wheel. That's after 10, and then 25 and 50 miles. Check periodically. Don't know what the torque is. Does it say? Doesn't say. Doesn't say on it. Doesn't give me any torque, so I gotta figure out what that is. Let's see. Maybe probably same torque as any other vehicle. So let's go ahead and put I'm put 100 foot-pounds on it. Level it out, huh? All right. No. Just off the weight. Weight on it. I don't know what they recommend for torque to get it off. All right, here we go. Got one on. I got to get the torque in. I got to get the correct torque for that wheel bearing from them, and then we still got to put that cap on there. So here we are, all set. I had to use the bearing table, bearing tamer, so I can pop the bearing out. Okay. All right. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me on the next searching for when we get the wheel, get the other seal. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next searching for. If you have anything or anyone that needs to be searched for, leave me a comment.